Hello guys, this is Kirk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to discuss how to choose the right white label SEO agency. So not all white label SEO agency is fit for you because we have the needs. We also have to check the other information or details to know that this company is fit for white label SEO. Okay? And for me, these are very important guide that you need to know as well. First, they understand your business. So if you want to work with a white label SEO agency, they need to know your business. They need to understand it as well because this is a long partnership for you and also the agency that you're working with. So better, they need to understand what's your business is, what's the industry you are into right now, what's the goal for your business. Because without that, I don't know if you're going to grow together. Second, they specialize white label SEO. Now, there are a lot of SEO agencies out there who's not specialized in white label SEO. They just added it as a service because they can also do it, right? The reason why we added it here as a service, but are they specialized to do white label SEO? Are they only focusing to white label SEO? Because it's a different thing. If you're focusing with one thing, that's very important rather than if you are focusing to a multiple thing, right? So let's say, for example, our company, Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. As the name implies, we are a white label SEO solutions for digital agencies only. That's our focus. So you can compare if they are specialized or not once you go to their website and see the services that we have. Okay? Third, they have a good communication. This is very important because, again, the number one problem with a relationship or a marriage is a communication, right? But how about as a client, you are far away from your white label agency provider. Now, you cannot see each other. You have a different time zone. The communication is not there like every minute. So you can have a problem with communication. This is also what we solve in the company so that we have a list of people that specialize in customer support, operation manager, and also those specialists who's doing the work. So we have that list of people to fix those problems. Okay? So can they respond to your questions right away? Do they have a live chat? Can they fix my problem? So you need to have that. You need to know if they have a good communication system or process or people assigned to that area. Fourth, they have a better workflow. You cannot just work with an agency that has a workflow but they are not working, or if they don't have a workflow added to their system or for their agency, it won't work. So they have a workflow for everything that they are doing to make sure everything is taken care and everything is in place, from getting a client to handling a team to delivery, reporting. They should have that. I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kirkroldanseo.com. Next, they have SOP or Standard Operating Procedure. This SOP, you need to use it for your people or for your team so that they can do the task easier. Okay? So for us in our company, we built a standard operation for each of the services that we are doing, the project fulfillment, the delivery, the communication with the client, customer support, and everything. Later on, I'm going to show you this because I also have a different video about this one. So if you want to see it, just go to the SOP video. This is very important so your team can follow and you're only following one process and system at the time. So you can skip the problem there because you're only following one working SOP. If you have a problem with that SOP or they are not working anymore, then you need to update, you need to change your approach. If that agency don't have a better SOP, then how can they perform? How can they do that task easier. And this is also good. Let's say, for example, if that agency have a new people coming in, then they can just show that SOP to the new people so they can apply a standard company procedure for that campaign or for your projects. Okay? They have a better processes and system. You can also ask this for your partner or for your white label SEO partner. If they have a process, what's your process in on page? What's your process in getting clients? What's your process in doing that, doing this? Because without that, I don't think that's a good partnership in the long run. We are talking about months or even years of partnership in this industry, since we are talking about white label partnership. It's not just a one-time payment or one-time subscription. So ask this, do they have a better process, or how can you know that their process is working? Then try to work with them for a few projects and see if they have a good process. If it's not, then leave, because they cannot help you in the long run. All right? They have enough manpower. So this manpower is very important because, for example, you have a growing team. You have a lot of clients that you're working right now. Then how can they deliver your clients' SEO projects if they only have 5 people who's working for you, but you need 20 or 30, right? So can they handle enough clients if they're going to provide, like, can they handle 20, 30, or 40, or 50, or 100 clients if you're going to outsource all these services to your company? Can they do it or not? So you need to prepare, even though you are not yet scaling, but you need to ask them if can they supply, can they do a task for me if I have 50 clients right now. Okay? You need to know this first, because I'm sure you're going to grow your business in the long run. So you need to ask this first. They have a better white label SEO reporting. So the reason why you're working with white label SEO agency, so for you not to have a problem with the reporting. So you need to ask first, do you have a reporting? What's the template? What's the process? Can you show me an example of white label SEO reporting? Because if they don't have an example, or if they don't have a white label reporting with your brand, logo, a quality, and also simple reporting, then how are you going to work together? Because as a client, what you're going to do, or as a reseller, what you're going to do is you need to ask from white label SEO agency and submit it right away. You don't need to change it, but submit it right away. So it should be white labeled reporting already. Okay? You need to know, you need to ask this first, because this is very important. Next, they have a case studies and track record. Before you engage or work with that white label SEO agency, you need to know or ask or check their website, check their testimonials if they have. Do they have a case study? Do they have a track record? Because how can they provide a good results for you if they don't have these results, right? So how can they replicate the result for your businesses if they don't have any case studies or testimonials for other clients that they have? So you need to know this. They are transparent about the project. This is very important as well, because as a partner, they need to be transparent about the process, how they work, about the pricing. Do you have a secret price after we buy the monthly SEO service? Do we have to pay another fee for setup fee or for these tools? You need to know this first. And as a white label SEO agency, they will discuss it during the onboarding form or during the discovery call or onboarding call. So for you to understand, and so you don't have a problem with transparency. That's very important as well, okay? Next, they provide guidance and knowledge. Not all agency wants to have a guide or wants to know how to do SEO, because some agency or some reseller, they don't want to know SEO, or they are scared to know the jargons, or because they are thinking that this is hard. But there are a lot of reseller that want to know as well what you are doing. Why is it important? Why you are doing SEO? Why you're doing on page? Why you're doing site speed? There are also reseller who wants to know the guide and also the procedure. So this is also very important that they have. Okay, they don't outsource SEO to other provider. There are white label SEO agency kono that have services or they can do SEO work, but they're also outsourcing it to other SEO provider or to other white label SEO agency. Yes, we have that clients right now. I don't want to share their names, but yeah, so the client think that they are working on their behalf as a white label SEO, but they are also outsourcing it to a lower pay white label SEO agency in the Philippines like us or in India or Pakistan. They do it. There are agencies who's doing that. Okay? You need to ask this. Are you the main person that we are working with? You don't have to outsource our product or our service to other agency, right? You need to know that first. This is very important. They provide a dedicated project manager and customer support. This is very important because as your company is growing, you need to ask more questions, right? You need to ask more information about the project. Now, if they don't have this customer support who's handling your project, then how can they provide you a better result, a better answer for your question? These project managers dedicated as well to handle their project only. So how can they work with you if they don't have this project manager? So this is very important as well. And lastly, I added a red color here because this is very important. You can earn dollar by partnering with them. Okay? Because, yes, this is fine if they can provide all of this here. Okay? But what else? Right? So, a lot of clients right now who wants to know the rate. Can we earn with your service or not? Because if not, then why are we partnering right now? For example, a client outsource it to a reseller for 2,000 USD. Okay? For example. Now, when they outsource it or when the reseller partner to a white label agency, your rate is only 700, for example. Well, that's they want. So they're earning by partnering with you. And the good thing is that they are not doing the work. So a lot of reseller company love to partner with white label agency who they think they can also earn by partnering with them. Not only providing these deliverables or process and everything here, but also they can also earn from working with you. All right? So you need to know this first before you decide to work with that white label SEO agency. That's it for now. If you have any questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.